I've had many requests to show the welding on the underside of the car, so I'll show you what had to be done. Still haven't cleaned up everything yet. Hope you can see this. This is part of the crossmember that goes across into the rocker, and it was pretty well rotted away, so I had to get this fabricated and bent into place and welded up. So now we have a continuation of this member here that ties up into this lower rocker area. Sorry, it's not a better vision, but that's what it is, and still got to do some grinding of welds, but the worst is over, welding wise, at least from a structural standpoint. But when you fabricate things, it's fun, and it's nice to see things strong again where they used to be weak. And from the top side, it doesn't look like much because it's only a small area on the top side. The damage was basically underneath. You can see the top end here where this had to be welded up. But the passenger floor is good, the passenger back floor is good, and you're already seeing the patches from yesterday. So thank you for asking for more up close video of the underside, and the project continues. Thanks for watching.